To begin, we'll create a slip knot, insert our hook into the slip knot, and snug that up right to the hook. We'll tension our working yarn, and holding on to that slip stitch so it doesn't get too tight, we'll wrap the yarn over the hook, pull through the loop, and we have a chain stitch. We'll repeat over the hook and through the loop for a second, holding on to the chain so that you can maintain your tension, over and through, over and through, and we'll continue this fashion until we have as many as required by our pattern. And there's your chain stitch. This is a tutorial for the single crochet stitch. It's a rather short crochet stitch. It's very neat rows, very little light getting through there, so you can see it's rather dense. Here you can see our stitches there along the top that we'll be working into. To create the stitch, we'll take our hook, we'll insert it into the stitch. You can see it's got both legs there. We'll bring the yarn over the hook and pull up a loop onto our hook, so we have 2 there. We'll yarn over again and draw that through both of our loops to finish our stitch. It's just that easy. We'll do it again. We'll insert our hook into that stitch. You can tell I'm a tight crocheter. We bring the yarn over the hook, draw up another loop onto our hook, yarn over, and pull that through both of our stitches. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over,